There is one major thing that is causing your marketing campaigns to bring in lower quality leads, and that's by having a static funnel. A funnel that doesn't differentiate between the quality of leads coming in and actually train the ad platforms and algorithms on who you're actually looking for with each new lead you bring into your funnel. Well, today I want to show you the dynamic funnel. This has been the biggest change and shift that we've implemented into our own business that has caused a major impact to improve overall lead quality. This is because this funnel specifically optimizes for higher quality leads, trains the algorithm to generate more high quality leads, allows you to spend more time talking to high quality prospects, whether you're doing sales yourself or you're passing along to your sales team, and it allows you to give a custom experience to each individual person to meet them where they're at. This one shift causes many different ripple effects of positive impact inside of your business, and I want to walk you through exactly how this works. So now, before I dive into exactly how this dynamic funnel works, I want to show you what a traditional funnel looks like. We call this the static funnel. Maybe you're running a funnel like this right now inside of your business. So you have your ads and your marketing, maybe it's YouTube ads, we talk a lot about YouTube ads right here on this channel, that then leads to a funnel opt-in, people put in their name, email, phone number, that then leads to a VSL to book a call, and then people book a call with an advisor. But the problem with this is it doesn't differentiate between any difference in quality of leads. That means that if you have a lot of people coming into this funnel and some of them are lower quality, that might lead to a lot of no-shows on your sales calendar. The other issue that this can cause is with leads. If you just track every lead and every call the same, and then you tell the ad platform, hey, send me more of these, it's just gonna send you more low quality leads. And it also doesn't create a unique experience for each person, because regardless of the level somebody's at, they're all gonna get access to the same funnel and follow the same process. Instead, what we do with the dynamic funnel is we have a more specific, intentional way to treat every single lead. So people come in through our YouTube ads and our marketing, and again, this could be from any ad platform. Then they go to the dynamic funnel opt-in. This is where we are specifically asking them questions that determine whether or not they are a fit to work with us. Now, this is one question we can put on the opt-in form that specifically asks either their income, their industry, or some other piece of information about them that allows us to dynamically redirect them based on whether they're qualified or not. So instead of just asking their name and email and phone number, we can also ask them their industry, ask them their income, ask them the business size, whatever it happens to be that qualifies somebody as a good potential fit for you as a client. Then, based on their answer to that question, we dynamically redirect them to a different page in the funnel. We determine, based on their answer to that question, whether they're qualified, vetting is required, or they're unqualified, using a green, yellow, and red framework. Now, if they're unqualified, what we do, instead of actually sending them to a call with a salesperson, we will downsell them to something else. In our case, it might be a membership, which isn't the same as a higher ticket offering that you could sell people on the core path. If they are qualified, great. What we're gonna be able to do is show them a video conversion training that warms them up, provides value, gets them excited to book a call, and then they book a call with an advisor, somebody on your sales team. If there's vetting required, if we're unsure based on their answer, it's somewhere in the middle, they might be qualified, they might not be qualified, what we'll do is we'll still send them to that same training, but then instead we'll lead them to book a call with a sales development rep or an appointment setter. And that person is going to be able to go and determine, are they qualified, and then set them with your salesperson or yourself, or if they're unqualified, send them a link to downsell into buying a membership. Now, this creates a custom experience for each person coming into your funnel. But here's the other big benefit. What you can do is you can actually put a tag on this qualified page and then port that data back over to your YouTube ads. And what that means is you're creating a feedback loop where you're taking those qualified leads and you're telling the ad platform, whether it's YouTube ads, Facebook ads, or whatever platform you happen to use, you're telling that platform, this is a quality lead, get me more people like this. And then it creates a feedback loop where every time you get a new qualified lead, you port that data back as a qualified lead that you optimize for inside of the ad platform. And what you're doing is you're specifically not optimizing for unqualified leads. So essentially what you're doing is you are telling the ad platform, don't send me these unqualified leads. Send me more qualified leads. That trains the platform to get better at targeting. And again, all these platforms, whether it's YouTube ads, Google ads, Facebook ads, all use AI-based targeting, and it's only as good as the data you feed back in. So if you have the old static funnel, you are telling the algorithm, send me more people, send me more people, send me more people, but some of these people are qualified and some of them aren't. So if you're wondering why your lead quality isn't where you want it to be, yes, there's things you could change about your ad creative, about your targeting, but it's not just about the ad targeting and the creative. It's also about your funnel and the data you feed back in. If you have this old static funnel, you are telling the ad platform every lead is a good lead. Send me more of those. But if you have the dynamic funnel, you're only telling the platform that your qualified leads are good leads, and then you're sending that back, and it goes around in a loop, sending you more higher qualified leads. And not just that, you're also creating a better experience. The qualified leads get to directly go onto that call with an advisor or with yourself to conduct a sales call. And if they're unqualified, they don't even know that that exists. What you're doing instead is you're sending them to a different video that sells them on a membership, a downsell. It's going to be the best for them right now, and then you could sell them that. And then if vetting is required, maybe they don't speak to you or one of your lead salespeople right away. They could talk to an appointment setter, somebody that can have a triage conversation, see if they're a good fit, and then set them with a core salesperson later. So that is the power of the dynamic funnel. And what I want to do is show you how to actually implement this into your business, whether you're using one of the major funnel builders, you're coding it yourself. We've got something for everyone. This is a $27 course that's going to walk you through exactly how this works, give you all of the templates that you can use for ClickFunnels, Go High Level, WordPress, and the different major funnel builders. So this is going to give you those tools that you need to use the dynamic funnel blueprint the right way to be able to dynamically port your leads to the right place at the right time. It's going to walk you through all of the setup, the tech guide, even if you're not a techie person, and a complete funnel implementation plan and prioritization system. It's got the whole process, all of the templates right here. I'm going to link that right there at the top of the description. Also, it's backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee. So I know this funnel is going to be so powerful for you, but if for some reason you're not satisfied, you can get all of your money back. It's just $27. Going to walk you through exactly how this works. In the past, we've reserved this for only our multi-$1,000 coaching and consulting clients. But this is something that I believe is so important, especially in 2025, especially with the way it ports that data back to the ad platform. So the dynamic funnel blueprint, you can check this out. Click the link down there at the top of the description. And this is what it looks like. What you want to do is take people coming into your marketing, ask them questions that allow you to dynamically redirect them based on if they're qualified or not. And if they're qualified, then send them to a training that allows them to book a call with your sales team or yourself, or vets them and then sends them the ability to book a call with your sales development rep. And then if they're unqualified, it invites them to buy a membership and then has a downsell. So that is what we want you to do. We're so excited for you to go through this process, and we will see you on the inside.